is Saniya Nazreen. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Engineering in Cambridge Institute of Technology, North Campus, where my project title is about student performance prediction based on attendance, study hours, and previous year scores. Where the project goal is to predict the students' final exam score based on their attendance and study purpose. Where I have mainly concentrated about the attendance percentage, study hours per week, and previous year's GPA. These project help students to improve their marks and support and academic support. Where at the starting I have imported the required libraries which are necessary in this project, and I have got the data set around. I have collected 1000 plus students data set, where it contains 13 to 16 columns divided by each student performance. I have loaded the data sets, where mainly we will concentrate about the three columns, that is attendance, percentage, study hours, and previous year's GPA, where I have imported the information and statistical part. As I said, I have observed the three columns, selected the three columns, which is mainly to analyze the data and give the correct output. Where I have done an EDA section, where we can detect the study horse versus final horse. Where we can see the graph, where it is completely increased in both the scores, whereas study hours and also final scores, which has positive relationship. I have done the another graph which is based on attendance and final scores, where I have predicted that if the student has greater attendance, will have the greater scores in their final exams. Later on, they have collected the missing values. I have noticed that in the given data set, 3 to 6% of missing values has been detected. This is visualize of missing values. I have separated the numerical and categorical columns, where we can see the mean of numerical columns, imputation before mean imputation and imputation in the numerical columns in attendance percentage, and after mean imputation and attendance percentage. In categorical column, the most frequent imputation, and after most imputation graphs has been there, which I have divided in the high and middle low category. This is data visualization code, which is distributed around the attendance and percentage. It is a correlation matrix, where correlation measures the strength and direction of relationship between two numerical values. It ranges around 1 to -1. In different types of regression, I have choose the linear regression, polynomial regression, and the rigid regression. When coming on to the linear regression, I have certain coefficient value depends on the column wise. In polynomial regression, the coefficient values are formed like this in the graph, where it ranges from -10 to +10. Same in the rigid value itself. Different types of conventional classification has been done, where I have used the logistic regression, where accuracy is around 0.795. KNN is accuracy as 0.75, and decision tree, where accuracy is totally 0.67. Random forest accuracy is 0.795, where the final comparison of these models are shown like this in the graph. This is an inbuilt library which I have used for user interface, where I can easily predict the database and set the final value. Where this is the prediction model, where I can set the attendance, like if the student has like 50% of attendance and study hours around like 10% or 15%, and previous year score is range around like 3 to 4. Then the final score will be 69% and the performance level of the student is like average. Then basis on this prediction we can show the improvement or any default percent in the student, and can help the student in the grades improvement. Thank you.